Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Word tutorial how to hanging indent. So you can select all your paragraph in document and right click, go to paragraph. Now in here will be open for the paragraph dialog box, and then to hanging indent you can go to indentation and then click on the special drop down menu, choose the hanging. So by default to be set into 1.27, and if you click OK, it will be automatically hanging indent the selected paragraph. To change again, you can right click, go to paragraph, and then you can set for the indentation in it hanging, like I will set into 1. Click OK again, and will be set into 1. Okay, that's it for basic Microsoft Word tutorial, how to hanging indent. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.